Hello students, today we are going to do the question answers of chapter first, Wake Up. We read in our previous video about this poem. This poem attracts us towards the beauty of nature. When we wake up early in the morning, we see the rising sun, chirping birds and smiling flowers. Use Cordova Smart Class software on the smart board to watch, read and enjoy this beautiful poem. So here, place of blackboard, green board, smart board, I am going to tell you about this poem. See, the name of poem is Wake Up. As already we have read this, but again I have to revise you because today we are going to do the question answers of this chapter. So once revise this. Wake up, wake up. The poet is saying, wake up, wake up, उठ जाओ. It's a lovely day. ये बहुत सुंदर दिन है. Oh, please get up. Oh, please get up and come and play. आओ खेलें. The birds are singing in the trees. The birds are singing in the trees. यानी पक्षी, चिड़िया ये सब पेड़ों में बैठे हैं और चहचहा रहे हैं. And you can hear the buzzing bees. Buzzing, a noise of bees. Bees मक्खियाँ. Bees मधुमक्खियाँ जब फ्लाई करती हैं then they make a sound of their wings. उनके पंखों के उड़ने से एक जो साउंड बनता है it's called buzzing. Wake up, wake up. Again the poet repeat the line. जागो, उठो. It's a lovely day. बहुत सुंदर दिन है. Oh, please get up. उठ जाओ. And come and play. आओ चलो खेलते हैं. It's much too late to lie in bed. बहुत लेट हो गया है बेड में सोते रहने के लिए. So hurry up. जल्दी करो. You sleepy head. आलसी यानी तुम बहुत सो चुके हो. आलस तुम्हारे सर पे बैठा है. So you should wake up now. Wash and dress. Wash and dress. उठ जाओ, नहाओ, धो, अच्छे कपड़े पहनो. एंड कम ऑन आउट. और बाहर आ जाओ. एवरीवन इज़ अप एंड अबाउट. सब लोग उठ चुके हैं या फिर उठने वाले हैं. सो यू ऑल्सो वेक अप एंड वॉश एंड ड्रेस एंड कम आउट टू प्ले. द काउ, द हॉर्सेस, द डॉग्स एंड द शिप. काउ, हॉर्स, डॉग ये सारे एनिमल्स हैं. ये भी बाहर आ चुके हैं, उठ चुके हैं. द टाइनेस्ट चिकन. सबसे छोटा चिकन, मुर्गी का बच्चा. चीप चीप चीप. वो भी बोल रहा है, आवाज़ें कर रहा है. कैसी? चीप चीप चीप. वेक अप. उठ जाओ. सो दिस वॉज द चैप्टर that we have to wake up early. Whenever we wake up early in the morning, we can see the noise, the songs of birds and rising suns, smiling flowers. It looks so pleasant. So this was the chapter. And what is the name of those poet of this poem? As in the previous video also I told you, the poet of this poem is C. Fletcher. Who wrote this poem? C. Fletcher. Now just we are going to do the question answers of this chapter. So see, answer these questions. Answer these questions. We are having question answers. So I am telling you the question and answer how you have to do. Here I have mentioned the question and answers. So you have to copy them in your English notebook, fair notebook. So let's see the first question. Why does answer these questions? Why does the poet want us to wake up? पोइट हमें क्यों जगाना चाहता है? The poet, the answer we will take from the question. Half answer we will get in the question only. The poet wants. Here we are not using does in the answer, so we will use this as with the verb. So it will be the poet wants to wake up us to show the beauty of the nature. Means poet चाहता है हमें सुबह सुबह नेचुरल ब्यूटी दिखाने के लिए. ओके, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डज द पोइट कॉल द पर्सन हु इज स्लीपिंग टिल लेट इन हिज बेड? व्हाट डज द पोइट कॉल द पर्सन हु इज स्लीपिंग टिल लेट इन द बेड? अ पर्सन हु इज स्लीपिंग टिल टू लेट इन हिज बेड, जो बहुत लेट तक अपने बेड में सो रहा है, पोइट ने उसको क्या कहा है? The poet calls sleepyhead. Sleepyhead means also we can say a person who sleep till late. पर्सन जो लेट तक सोता रहता हो उसे अपन इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म वी कैन से sleepyhead. So the poet calls sleepyhead to the person who is sleeping till late. जो लेट तक सो रहा है उसे पोइट ने क्या कहा है? sleepyhead. Question number 3. According to the poet, he can hear 3 sounds in the morning. What are they? According to the poet, he can hear 3 sounds in the morning. What are they? कवि के अनुसार वह कौन? लड़का, वो बॉय जो इस पोएम में है, वो 3 तरह के साउंड मॉर्निंग में सुन सकता है. वो 3 साउंड कौन से हैं, किस किस के हैं? लेट्स सी. अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोइट, these much line we will get in the answer question only. According to the poet, he can hear 3 sounds in the morning. What are they? So the 3 sounds are, which are singing of birds, चिड़ियों का चहचहाना, बजिंग ऑफ बीस, मधुमक्खियों की भिनभिनाहट, एंड चीप चीप ऑफ चिकन. जो टाइनिस्ट चिकन वॉज देयर, वो भी मॉर्निंग में क्या करता है? आवाज़ें करता है, चीप चीप चीप. सो 3 क्वेश्चन आ दिए. नाउ कम ऑन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द पोइट talks about cows, horses, sheep and ducks. Where do you think he live? Means जो poet है वो cow, horse, sheep and ducks इन animals के बारे में poem में बात कर रहा है, बता रहा है. It means आपको क्या लगता है कि poet कहाँ रहता होगा? So according to the पोएम के अनुसार आई थिंक ही लिव्स इन अ फार्म हाउस वेयर दिस ऑल एनिमल्स लिव. मीन्स कविता के अनुसार ये लग रहा है कि कवि जिन एनिमल्स के बारे में बात कर रहा है, इसके अनुसार शायद वह एक फार्म हाउस में रहता है, क्योंकि फार्म हाउस में हम एनिमल्स को रखते हैं. Next question. In the poem, the poet wants us to dash before coming out. बाहर आने से पहले हमें क्या करना चाहिए? कवि क्या चाहता है कि बाहर आने से पहले हम क्या करें? टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. हमें राइट आंसर पर टिक करना. 3 ऑप्शंस आ दिया. वॉश एंड ड्रेस, नहा दो, अच्छे कपड़े पहन के आओ, हैव ब्रेकफास्ट, या घर से बाहर आने से पहले ब्रेकफास्ट करो, या मेक योर बेड, या अपना बेड ठीक करो. So from these 3 options, which is the right one according to the poem? I think wash and dress, right? Yeah, wash and dress, because in the poem the poet was saying that before coming out you should wake up, wash and dress. Okay, question number 6. Everyone is up and about. This मीन्स दैट एवरीवन इज़ अप एंड अबाउट, यानी सब लोग उठ चुके हैं या उठने वाले हैं. इसका मतलब है कि टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. अगेन we have to tick on the right one. First option, all the people are separate. All the peoples are separate यानी डरे हुए हैं. Everyone is playing, सब खेल रहे हैं. All the people are active and busy, ये सब लोग उठ चुके हैं, एक्टिव हो चुके हैं, अपने अपने काम में लग गए हैं, बिजी है. सो आई थिंक, व्हाट यू थिंक? कैन यू टेल मी? जस्ट रीड द पोएम. रिमेंबर what was there? All the peoples are active and busy, because the meaning of this line, everyone is up and about. The similar answer will be all the people are active and busy. Okay, so we will tick on the third option. Next, 7. Give two adjectives to describe the given words. Two adjectives. Adjectives we read in our previous classes when we were reading grammar book. At that time I have told you about adjectives. Adjectives are the words which tells us about more about noun or pronoun. Words which tell us more about noun or pronouns are called adjectives. So here day. So we can describe to day by saying lovely day, pleasant day. Okay. Chicken, tiniest, सबसे छोटा चिकन. कैसा चिकन? सबसे छोटा. White, कलर में white chicken. Chicken are of many colors, brown, yellow, white. So we can say white chicken. These two adjectives words are there for day and chicken. So these were the question answers of chapter first, or I will give this pic of question answers in the assignment, and you have to complete it in the good handwriting, all the questions with the date in your fair notebook. In tomorrow's video, we will read the next chapter number 2 of our reader book. So till I want that before starting the chapter 2nd, you should complete your work. If you haven't taken books and notebooks yet, you should take. In our school, books and notebooks are available at this time, so you can send your parents to buy books and notebooks for you. So you will not get much work, and if in the next month school will reopen, then how you will complete the work? If you will not do now, you will get work a lot of, so you will be not able to complete the work, and you will be confused to how to complete the work. So I just want to say you again once, just still if you haven't taken the books and notebooks, just send your parents to buy books and notebooks for you from the school. Okay, and revise this chapter, learn this poem, learn hard words which I gave you in the last video, the previous lecture. All the Hindi words of the words that I gave you, hard words. Read the poem, learn the poem, just learn the name of the poet and these question answers. Okay, thank you.